Assalamualaikum. Dear viewers, today we will learn about man command. What we learn in this video? We will be talking about man command. What is man command? Man command in Linux is used to display the user manual of any command that we can run on the terminal. It provides a detailed view of the command, which includes name, synopsis, description, options, exit status, return values, errors, files, versions. It is kind of a helping hand for any command. Let's open our virtual server. We are opening a terminal here. Let's type. We want to know about the passwd command in details. Let's type man space passwd. It will bring the detailed info about the passwd cmd. Here you can see the name, passwd update users authentication tokens, synopsis, passwd-k-l, etc., etc. Description. Here you can see the description about the passwd command and various way of using passwd command. It's kind of a user manual of passwd command. Let's open a new tab and try some passwd command here. With -k, the option -k is used to indicate that the update should only be for expired authentication tokens. Let's type passwd-k. Here you can see the changing password for user student options. I am putting the current password. Authentication token manipulation error. Let's try another one. -l. This option is used to log the password of a specified account and it is available to root only. Let's type passwd space -l. Only root can do that. This can only be done with root access. Let's log into root user. Type su and put the root password. Again type the command passwd space -l. This option requires a username. We need a username here. Let's type student, which is a user here. You can see here that the student user password is locked now. This option is used to lock the password of a specified account. -stdin. This option is used to indicate that password should read the new password from standard input, which can be a pipe. Clear the window. Let's use this one. Type passwd space -stdin with a username. This option requires a username. Again, changing password for user is student, authentication, token manipulation. Let's use the unlock command. Passwd space -u username. We need a username here, student. The task is completed. The password is unlocked. With -d, this is a quick way to delete a password for an account. With -e, this is a quick way to expire a password for an account. Here are a lot of them. Let's type passwd space -e student expiring password for user student. It will expire the current password for student user. Let's use -n and -x. With -n, this will set the minimum password lifetime in days if the user's account supports password lifetimes. It's also available to root only. Type passwd space -n, number of days 50 here. For student user, it will set a minimum age for the student account password, adjusting aging data for user student. -x, this will set minimum password lifetime in days. Before we use the minimum days, now we are using the maximum days option here as passwd -x space 50 space student, adjusting aging data for user student. Let's change it to 100 days. It will set the minimum and the maximum age of student user password. The password will or can be used for minimum 50 days or maximum 100 days. With man command, it can be useful for a user with any particular command that he wants to know in detail. Kind of a helping hand for any any command. Thank you all for being with us.